Hi, good day, everyone, and welcome to this workshop on Oracle Analytics Cloud Innovation. My pleasure presenting to you today. My name is Alain Floch. I'm heading Oracle Analytics Big Data and Data Science for Asia Pacific here at Oracle. And what I'd like to do today is really highlight some of the key capabilities of Oracle Analytics Cloud and also some of the recent innovation we introduced with this service. And to set the stage, really, Oracle Analytics is part of a key component of Oracle AI, machine learning, data, analytics, and overall cloud services that we offer, all built on Oracle's second generation cloud infrastructure. As you can see, we offer a very extensive list of different services for development, for application, for data management, for governance, security, of course, as well as for data science, AI, on analytics. And my focus today will be really on this part around analytics. And if I look at Oracle Analytics, really the goal is to help drive business transformation by accelerating the journey from data to insight. So how can you quickly find insight in the data that you have? And to do this, you can have two different approaches, what I will call a build approach, leveraging Oracle Platform as a service component, where Oracle Analytics Cloud sit in, and I will detail that today. Or you can have a buy approach, leveraging our SaaS application with Fusion Analytic Warehouse, which is a pre-built package application for our Fusion SaaS application, as well as NetSuite Analytics Warehouse, dedicated to our NetSuite application customer, an offering that we will be releasing soon. But let me focus on Oracle Analytics Platform in the cloud. And for your information, Oracle Analytics Server is the exact same capabilities should you wish to deploy this in your own premises, in your own data center. So Oracle Analytics Platform really provides the complete platform for business user, developer, as well as IT. And by complete, I mean that it enables you to connect, model, prepare, explore, experience, and collaborate on your data. Connect to virtually any data source that you might have, either a live connection or using some internal caching that we have. Help you blend multiple sources of data, maybe model this around a business semantic layer, if you like. Help you prepare the data, transform, enrich the data for specific analytics needs. And we added a lot of innovation around these data preparation capabilities. Help you explore the data. And when I say explore, is of course creating your own self-service data visualization, but it's also leveraging natural language processing and machine learning to help you uncover insights. Experience this, consume the dashboard, the analysis, and collaborate, share this content with your colleagues. I won't drill down in all of these boxes here, but as you can see, Oracle Analytics can connect to, of course, Oracle data source, but also non-Oracle data sources, relational database, big data sources, etc. Can help you model, prepare, profile the data, enrich the data if required, provide this data in a semantic models, or do your self-service data analysis. You can explore this in an interactive way via data visualization, but also via natural language query or narration. Experience this, share this analysis or dashboard or pixel perfect report across your organization, of course, based on very strong role-based security that can be put in place, and that can be deployed on large scale. We have customers using our platform for 5-10 users, but we have customers using our platform for thousands of users to collaborate across mobile, accessing the data via web, or embedded in other applications. So if I look a little bit more details now on some of the capabilities of Oracle Analytics Platform on Oracle Analytics Cloud. First of all, it's part of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, very easy to deploy in multiple shapes. You can start as maybe a few CPU, one CPU, two CPU. You can scale up, scale down as required. I encourage you to leverage this as part of this AgMaker hackathon. So very easy, a few clicks, couple of minutes to deploy the solution. You can then connect to over 30 or close to 40 now different native connectors. Of course, Oracle application, like Fusion application, but also non-Oracle data sources. Oracle Autonomous Database, of course, but maybe solution like Redshift or SQL Server or BigQuery or Snowflake. So very open connectivity. You can work with all your own personal data in Excel or CSV format. You can connect to other non-listed data source via JDBC, or you can even have Oracle Analytics Cloud semantic layer used by other tools via JDBC connection. On some of the key innovation we've been introducing with Oracle Analytics Cloud is capabilities to help you or business user prepare the data, but help you, leveraging machine learning, profile and correct the data if required. Do that with intelligent out-of-the-box recommendation, but also allow you now to have your own custom knowledge database, if you will, to do data preparation and data recommendation. It helps you also enrich the data. So we look at some of the data set or data column, if you will, that you have, and we suggest some enrichment. Maybe you have a field which is called, say, city, and based on the city, we could give you enrich this data with maybe the population of the city, in which state, in which country, maybe data that you don't have in your data set, but that can be enriched. So you don't need to prepare this in, say, Excel anymore. You can have recommendation and enrichments right within Oracle Analytics Cloud. Data flow is an even more advanced way for you to ingest, clean, and transform the data from various sources if you need. So to do grouping, union, split, join, different columns, different data set. You can save then the output of this data flow into a local data set or to a relational database like Autonomous Data Warehouse, for example. You can even use data flow, I'll come back to that later, to train, execute machine learning model directly within Oracle Analytics Cloud. But let me now show you a quick demonstration of these capabilities.
Oracle Analytics provides business analysts and citizen data scientists with a powerful workbench to build rich analytics solutions. Let's take a look at some of the new features in our platform. Since we love saving you time, you'll appreciate the new smart data preparation capabilities. Oracle Analytics provides automatic data quality insights, as well as recommendations to cleanse, transform, and enrich your data. You can extend the built-in enrichment knowledge base with your domain-specific metadata that will be used to provide custom recommendations. You can also easily run advanced analytics to perform a market basket analysis using the frequent item set algorithm. Quickly find correlation between entities, such as products that are most likely to be purchased together, and spot the most popular basket combinations. You will see how fast you can visualize and understand the patterns in your data. Oracle Analytics also provides strong graph analytics capabilities, a new and powerful way to uncover complex relationships, popular nodes, and hidden patterns. Graph is widely used when understanding of many-to-many relationships is required, especially when data sets might be unstructured or fluctuating in nature. You can now easily perform page rank analysis, detect communities, find the shortest path between entities, or identify and validate subgraphs. Instead of spending days trying to explore relationships in your data, you can now use the power of OAC and ADW Graph and do this within minutes. Citizen data scientists can train and use machine learning models within Oracle Analytics, or use models stored in ADW for large-scale scoring. Advanced explainable AI capabilities provide deeper insight into every predicted outcome, allowing for deeper understanding on what influenced each prediction. Oracle Analytics provides powerful yet easy-to-use tools for data analysts and citizen data scientists to unleash the power of data within their organizations and become data heroes.
So this gives you, I hope, an introduction on some of the capabilities that you have with Oracle Analytics Cloud. But let me detail some additional capabilities you can expect with the solution. Once you prepare the data, or maybe enrich the data as we just saw, well, the goal is now, of course, to analyze the data to find insights into this information. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you to do that. On the easiest way is to just ask questions. So we have unified search capabilities that leverage natural language processing for you to query the data, ask questions on the data, as you would say in Google search. So we leverage in the backend, of course, advanced machine learning algorithm to do that. If I look at an example here, so maybe I'm connecting to my Oracle Analytics Cloud environment, and I need to ask a question. I want to see the revenue by product type, per month, or number of customers. So now Oracle Analytics Cloud look at the different data sets available and then return the query on different visualization based on the question you ask. So you can see the trend over time. You can see here a comparison of revenue as well as customer, etc. So this is a very quick way, very easy way for you to ask questions and to get results directly within Oracle Analytics Cloud. But we are going a step further to help with analysis. On our augmented analytics capabilities or augmented insights, help you already explain some of the attributes in the data, uncover information into the data, and discover potentially anomalies that you might have within the data or patterns in the data. Sam, let me show you a quick example on demonstration of these capabilities, which I hope will explain this better.
Ever want to automatically create insights about data sets? Now you can with Explain, one of the machine learning features available in Oracle Analytics. Explain algorithms automatically create insights to help you visually describe the various aspects of that data. Let's say you want a detailed view of employee attrition. From the home page, create a new project by clicking Create and then Project. Double-click Employee Attrition to add it to the project. In the Data Elements pane, right-click Attrition and select Explain Attrition. This launches the Explain tab, which shows insights on the attrition data. There are multiple insights organized by categories. Basic facts show you each metric in the dataset, aggregated by the distinct values of yes and no. Scroll down to look at attrition based on the number of years employed and add that chart to the canvas. Select the pie chart at the top, which includes the total row count by values of the attrition attribute. Click the Key Drivers Attrition tab to evaluate the key drivers of attrition. Select the bar graphs for attrition by job role and marital status. Each bar graph includes the distribution of the attrition attribute across each key driver. Click the Segments that Explain Attrition tab to visualize key segments from column values that explain attrition. Click the second segment to show additional details about it. It appears that 44% of employees are predicted to leave if they have a low job level, work overtime, and have never been promoted. Finally, click the Anomalies of Attrition tab to evaluate attrition anomalies. Actual value and expected value are visualized here, and the outliers where those values don't match are highlighted. In this case, research scientists are predicted to have the highest attrition. Add the first bar chart. Add all the charts you selected to the project. Oracle Analytics automatically creates the Explain Attrition canvas with all the charts you just selected in Explain mode. Keep in mind that running Explain multiple times on the same dataset shows you different results. Now you know how to automatically create insights about datasets.
So I think another good example of really showing you how you can leverage Oracle Analytics to have Oracle Analytics with clever machine learning help you explain your data. Let me continue with a few additional capabilities that we have. Capabilities around not only natural language processing, but natural language generation, which is what you see on the right-hand side here, the capabilities to have Oracle Analytics explain in plain text the data that you are analyzing. So you might have the chart here on the left. And another type of visualization is a textual information that is automatically generated by Oracle Analytics Cloud. So giving you key insight on the data, key comments, explanation on the data as well. Spatial analytics is something where we see a lot of interest from our customer as well. So the capability to do very advanced geographical type, map type of analysis on your data. So Oracle Analytics together with Spatial Studio provide these capabilities on, I can think of a lot of use cases in the context of smart city type of analysis where these spatial analytics capabilities might be useful. Graph, as you've seen in the first video demonstration, are capabilities that we have added also in our Oracle Analytics Cloud. And it helps you with multiple use cases to identify relationship and patterns within different data sets. It can be used to find shortest path between entities. The graph analytics is very powerful also to identify potential fraud, etc. So a lot of use cases for graph analytics, now easier than ever to leverage this with Oracle Analytics Cloud. And of course, I touched on machine learning a lot already, but you can leverage also the user interface of Oracle Analytics on use built-in configurable machine learning algorithm directly within the user interface. So we have ML algorithm for linear regression, random forest, cart, k-means clustering, etc. We also have just one-click analysis capabilities to do forecasting, to do trend. So all of this as a user interface within Oracle Analytics Cloud make it easy for, I would say, citizen data scientists to leverage some of this ML model, execute this model, and also get explanation of this model. We introduce as well a tight integration with autonomous database, which is, of course, a great platform for data scientists to build machine learning model, ML models that I can then run directly into the database. And I can now leverage Oracle Analytics Cloud to execute this model and process this model still in the database, but see the result within my OAC environment. Mobile is, of course, something that we have been investing a lot over the years. And we recently introduced a new mobile analytics application capabilities as part of the latest version of OAC. So native application for iOS or Android mobile that enables you to directly see any analysis you've built on the web. Interface can be seen directly from your mobile device. You can even build new analysis from the mobile itself. So let me show you a demonstration of this as well.
Oracle Analytics Cloud offers business users an intuitive and interactive experience to explore their data, discover insights, and make data-driven decisions. We are thrilled to share with you the new face of Oracle Analytics. Redwood is the name of our next-gen user experience design language. You will love the new Redwood user experience with the new look and feel and color palette. You'll also love the new iconography and new fonts. Plus, you'll enjoy a consistent experience across Oracle Analytics and the Oracle Application Suite, as Redwood becomes the design standard across all Oracle products. Most business users aren't in front of their computers all the time. However, they do need access to their data and analytics while they're on the go. With Oracle Analytics Mobile, all your reports and dashboards are available at your fingertips all the time. You can search across all content in the Analytics catalog. You can query across all datasets using natural language. You can even consume data and gain insights in hands-free mode with the new podcast feature in the mobile app. Now this is augmented analytics that everyone can get used to.
Let's start by looking at product sales across a total of 39 products. Sales for the period grew 15%. What stands out in this instance is that 4 products account for 42% of sales, with the other 27 accounting for the rest.
I really like this podcast figure at the end. It's pretty cool way of having Oracle Analytics really explain and talk to you about the analysis on your data. So let me go back to the presentation here. And to conclude, I hope it gives you a good overview of the capabilities and latest innovation we introduced with Oracle Analytics. I encourage you to try it yourself. We have what we call Oracle Live Labs that you can leverage. We have a link here and they will be shared with you. I put some of the live lab that I think might be useful for you in the context of the hackathon around how to leverage Oracle for data science, Oracle Analytics Cloud, together with our autonomous database. So I encourage you to visit this live lab, which is for you to have an environment to, at your own pace, try our solution yourself and see what you can achieve with our product. Also, if you want to have more information specifically on Oracle Analytics, we are, of course, here on different social media as well as blog that you can reach out to. So with this, I'd like to thank you for your time. Wish you good luck with your hackathon and have a good day. Thank you all. Bye.